to hide. Epstein's still alive, it wasn't no suicide. Tell me why we're protecting pedophiles, suppressing 9/11 in the JFK files. The left and the right wing strapped to puppeteer strings. The whole government is trapped in a blackmail ring. Perverts running the White House and the media, obsessed with molesting underage teens. Fuck CNN, Fox and the BBC, the FDA and the CDC. The mainstream, nothing but drag queens and vaccines. Big pharma turning kids into Xanax fiends. Israel finessing for them USA checks. The greatest threat to Zionism's a DNA test. Tucker Carlson was right, and Candace Owens isn't an anti-Semite. Nope. Just because a person hates Benjamin Netanyahu doesn't mean that person's a racist against all Jews. Pedos and Nickelodeon and Disney World. Using casting calls to prey on little boys and girls. Predators in Hollywood isn't just a rumor. Most of these movie stars are sick recruiters and groomers. Oprah Winfrey